What are the hidden costs of CCTV installation? Your installation quote prices one day. Some hidden costs bill once, like network upgrades. Others bill every month, like camera licensing. You already know the network can add 500 to 3,000 or more, but your building adds its own. Electrical work runs $150 to $350 per outlet, and on public contracts, you often pay a set government rate, prevailing wage. But a bid is a snapshot. Some of these costs aren't a receipt, they're a meter. A receipt records one moment and stops. A meter keeps running. Cloud video software bills per camera every month, $5 to $15 each. 16 cameras, 5 years. That's $4,800 to $14,400 in licensing alone. Prefer a local recorder? Then you're buying drives instead. $100 to $200 every 3 to 5 years. Either way, something keeps billing. So before you sign, change the question. Don't just ask how much it costs. Ask what keeps billing and get that answer in writing. Your CCTV quote prices the day the crew leaves. The system runs for years. Run your numbers through the calculator on our pricing guide. More than 20,000 locations protected in over 19 years. Safe and sound security designs and installs commercial and government security systems nationwide.